Top 10. Best metal detectors. The idea of being able to find that hidden treasure or simply something interesting is a great thrill. Number 10. Barska Winbest Pro Edition. To be able to differentiate the different types of metal that you are searching for. It also has a preset ground balance to adjust to different terrain. It has an adjustable stem depending on your height, but it also has an adjustable armrest too, which will help you get highly comfortable. Waterproof coil. Highly adjustable. Low battery indicator. Number 9. Ground Efx Mc1 Youth. It is made out of green plastic, and will be able to detect metal up to 24 inches deep in the ground if the object was a bit larger. For coins it will be able to detect them up to 5 inches deep, and this is a detector that is also able to place the coil in the water. Adjustable length. Green and back color. Durable construction. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best metal detectors or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 8. Garrett Pro Metal Detector. Detectors on the market, and is going to allow you to easily find any treasures that are hidden beneath the surface. This is also waterproof up to a depth of 10 feet for those wanting to search in beaches, rivers and streams. The headphones that it comes with aren't waterproof. Waterproof to 10 feet. High res iron discrimination. Highly rated. Number 7. Treasure Cove TC3020 LED screen. Display which is going to be able to easily show you what you need to know. It is also customizable too, which allows you to enjoy your own personal preferences. It also has a ground control feature that is going to help you tune out false signals. LED display. Specific metal modes. Cover included. Number 6. Bounty Hunter BHJS Jr. Designed for the budding juniors, and will be great for getting your kids involved in the world of metal detecting. It will be able to detect any coin-sized objects up to 5 inches, and any larger objects up to a depth of 3 feet. The target indicator will be able to measure. Child-sized. Eliminates iron signals. Lightweight and comfortable. Number 5. Garrett Ace 400 Metal Detector. Shallow water with a waterproof coil. More than that though, it also comes with a rain cover for its controls, which will help you to use the detector even in bad conditions. There are other accessories too, as it comes with headphones for you to pick up the sound of your device. 5 search modes. Rain cover included. Waterproof coil. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best metal detectors or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts. Number 4. Garrett Ace 200 Metal Detector. Coins, and that will be able to search for metal on the beach or maybe in shallow water, then this could be ideal for you. The coil of the detector is submersible to let you look for those underwater treasures. The control box of the product isn't fully waterproof. Submersible coil. Can ignore unwanted items. 8 levels of sensitivity control. Number 3. Bounty Hunter Gold Digger, as well as plenty of other valuable metals. This is ideal for those looking to find those hidden treasures, and will help to identify any coin-size objects of up to 6 inches deep in the ground. It will also be able to sense larger options at up to 2 feet deep. Great for valuable metal. Headphones included. 7-inch coil. Number 2. National Geographic Pro Series. That is able to give you all the features that you should need. It is very easy to use as it can simply be folded out, and then you can start scanning the ground. It is also very light at just 2 pounds, which means that your arm isn't going to start to ache soon after using it. 10-inch coil. Weighs just 2 pounds. Foldable design. Number 1. Bounty Hunter TK4 Tracker, which is very highly rated by those who have used it. It is able to work in difficult conditions and is highly durable to ensure that the detector isn't going to let you down when you are out there. The detector has a few brilliant modes, as there is an all-metal mode, rugged metal detector. Various mode options. Preset ground balance. Our newest choice only be seen at fishfinley.com. Search best metal detectors or simply click below the video description link. Fishfinley fishing guides and gears reviewed by experts.